Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm starting a new series for full gameplays, and I'm not going to be doing montages this often. I'm going to be doing full gameplays like this, so I hope you like them. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, and please can you share this? It only takes a few seconds to subscribe, and yeah, alright, thank you. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye. What's this purple gun? Alright, it's a scar. Right, the gun out there is some. Oh god, no. Oh, phew. I just got that. Where are we gonna go now? Can I hit that guy? No. Also, if you haven't already, have a look at the big robot. Apparently, it's gonna have like a big battle against the monster, which is gonna be cool. And yeah. So the monster is made up of quite a few things. There's like the drift hand, there's a T-Rex, and then there's like the tomato and the Durburger head. I think I'll show you that in a bit. And then there's like the Cuddle team leader head. Yeah, look, Durburger feet and the tomato one. So apparently this is going to be like, they're going to be fighting, the monster's going to come out of the sea. I think the robot might actually take the sword or the human out of the tilted tower, neo-tilted, and might like kill the monster with that. And did you know that like Loot Lake, the big wires, I think that's going to do with something with this as well, because they've been made for something. So yeah, anyway, carry on watching. I hope you like the video, and yeah. Guys, tell me what you think. Would you take blue combat or a blue pump? And do you like the new gun, the new shotgun? It comes in epic and legendary variant. See, I had not been able to use it this game, as I know, through editing. And yeah, so carry on watching the video. This is like my first ever video. It might not be the greatest editing, as I edit it all myself, but hope you like it. And yeah, thanks. Did this guy leave? Where's he gone? Did he fall? No, not that I can see. Did he actually leave? Must have just seen my building. Oh, he did as well. He must have left up top. That's never happened to me before. Huh. Funny. I think he might have thought that he wouldn't have got the kill. I did get the kill though. That's good. Oh, nice. Had med kit. I'm not going to use campfire as I can use it later on in the game, and I'm not going to carry the med kit. So yeah. Guys, I'm not one of those people who try and show off their edits. I'm like, I try and practice them with my pyramids so I can get better. So yeah. Also, sorry I can't speak through the game, so I'm having to do it through editing. So that's why I'm not speaking that much, because I can't really, and I film. Anyway, yeah, sorry about that. So you might not hear much speaking. If you guys know how to edit it and speak whilst you're through the game, then please tell me, leave it in the comments. And can this video please reach 2 likes? And yeah, thank you. And my goal is to reach 100 subscribers. It's been my goal for a very long time now, and it's just what I really want to reach. And I'll start to upload more videos like this later on. So yeah. Has that ever happened to anyone else? My ball just kicked me out of it. Is that meant to happen? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. There's a kid there. Can I kill him? I'm gonna go leave. Oh, Mr. Shots. Let's go. Don't hit them, don't hit them, don't hit them. How do you guys like the new beach game? It's cool. You just need there's a big thing in the middle which you need to capture. I'll be playing a video clip for you for me winning here. Right, here's the clip. I literally watch. I lag out, so it glitches me, and I spawn in the air. That's not really meant to happen, but that's how I win. You normally don't spawn in the air, but I won it for the team at least. There you go. So that's just a little clip of me playing it. And there's a kid right here on me now. So yeah, okay. Stop speaking. By the way guys, I'm not in any club at the moment, so if you've got a decent club and you want me to join it, just send me the name through the comments down below, and yeah, hopefully I will join your team, your club, if it's good or not, and yeah, so thanks. Alright, let's hope I can win this game. This is going to be my first ever video, and if you haven't already, go smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, sorry this video did take a while. I'm not the greatest at editing yet. I'm editing on my phone right now, as I did not have a computer or a laptop or anything like that, or gaming PC. And yeah, I'm going to be doing like speed ups, like the thing that I did earlier on when I was on that hut, because there's not much I could have done on there really. And here I'm just picking off people, trying to shoot them. And yeah, so that's that. And I think there's someone over here, as they nearly sniped them. And I wanted that kill, but no. Air vents are off, that sounded cool. Never had that before to me. It's a 1v1v1v1v1v1. I'm in the top 7 this small of a circle. But normally people just go down in flies like now. Really? So yeah. There's one down. I'm just waiting. Yes, yeah, so this bit now is just going to get speeded up. So in like in 3, 2, 1. That kid just got lasered. Now someone else shooting at me. Right, it's 1v1v1v1 now. Do I go high? Yeah, right. That kid's gone behind the tree. And right, Stormflip, there's a kid running in. Bloom, come on. Probably should have spammed LT. Where's he launching to? Oh, get lasered. Shield's broken. And what's that kid doing? Probably got a glider redeploy. No, what? How is he not dead? Well, it's a 1v1v1 now, but the last 2 players are both really weak, so got a good advantage here. And I edited myself down. I'm going to be starting this 1v1 for 1 for a while, aren't I? Peek your head. Oh, he's come out. What about the other guy? Yeah, I'm going to block that so he can't snipe me. In case he does build up again. Oh. Alright, tag 64. I can see his feet. I'm trying to hit him on the foot. Obviously not. Don't laser me. You didn't shoot me. Right, it's 1v1. Got a kill, he died in the storm. Oh, no, I'm just gonna be toxic. Hey, that's a 10 bomb. Right, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe. See ya.